Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I got your watches coming back into November 13th, 2020, and the stock market might crash by the end of the year. Before we get into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps out a lot. And don't forget to smash the video for the YouTube algorithm, as Graham Stephan says. Alright, so let's get right into the video now. So what happened today? So the stock market might crash by the end of the year. I do have a theory, and a more detailed explanation of it will come in the near future on a different video. But right now I'm running low on time. Shout out to anyone that tried to go for the Travis PlayStation dunks. I know I did, and I wasted 4 fucking hours for it. But moving on. Today was all about lockdowns, stimulus, and so we basically got news that Mayor de Blasio should shut down schools in New York. The Chicago mayors recommended canceling Thanksgiving, yada yada yada, and then that's what's brought the stock market down. And another thing is, to many of you who probably don't watch this video because I have no views, um, UNXY, for COVID, airlines are kind of the UNXY for the market. So if airlines drop down within a couple of weeks, I definitely see the market following with that because travel is what gets hit first. And yeah, that's basically my quote unquote UNXY for the current market, the current COVID market. Something I guess sad about today was we had the record amount of deaths globally related to COVID, and if the markets will make a bigger move down, if there will be news, or if we fear a nationwide lockdown like we did in March. So outlook for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll mainly be, for probably the next week, I'll be looking out for airline puts, or United Airlines, or Southwest, or American Airlines, some of those airline companies for puts, because if they start making a move down, the rest of the markets will follow. And if I'm able to detect a downtrend before the whole market moves, then I can sit on a nice profit. And I did make a play today. It was a 347 put that expired tomorrow. It was a weekly put, and it netted me about 80% in 1 hour. So I got to play right on this third candle when the SPY was at when it broke 355, because that was consolidation. There was a equilibrium consolidation right here, and there was a support right there. So I got that play, and then I thought the news was also somewhat a big deal, because back in March, the markets reacted more on news of New York getting hit or shutting down. So I got the play. I wrote it down to here. I could have sold for more profits, but I held, and then I got stopped out at 353. So I got stopped out right there for the 80% gain. If I sold right at the bottom, it would have been a 200% gain, but it is what it is. Moving on, to many of you who may or may not know who Bill Ackman is, he is a hedge fund manager, and in February he opened a hedge position at the top for $26 million and sold on March 20th, which was the correct bottom, which was the bottom for our markets this year. And he sold it for $2.6 billion. This play is known as the single greatest trade in history, and today he made another hedge similar to the one that he made in February for 27 million. And what surprises me the most is today is the day that news for lockdowns started coming out, and that's when he also announced the trade. So I guess if you want to follow Bill Ackman, you might see a market crash in the next 2 months. And other than that, there's nothing much. There's nothing else to do. I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you for watching. To, I guess, whoever's gonna watch this, and have a great day.